Hey guys, my name is Manu and I'm back here with Stock4Less. In today's video, I want to show you how to remove a user account. Alright, you guys are ready? Let's get started. Okay, what you do is you click on the top left on the Apple logo sign and then click on Systems and Preferences. In there you find on the left bottom Users and Groups. You click on it and then you have to unlock the pad on the bottom and you enter your password to unlock it. Then you click the plus sign to create a new user. When the window pops up, under New Account, select Administrator in the drop-down, enter your full name, and for the password, you enter a password, then you click the Create User button. And now you can see on the left side the new user account has been created. Let's go ahead and delete the original account admin. For that, close this window. Go on the top left corner, click on the Apple icon, and then on Log Out Admin. Then if you log out, get to this window, it says Admin and Bobby. We want to log in as Bobby. Enter the password. Here we are, enable Siri, yes. And it takes you back on the desktop. Now, if we want to remove a user account, you click again on the top left on the Apple logo on Systems and Preferences. Click on the bottom left onto Users and Groups, and then again you have to unlock it, so click to lock to make changes. You put in your password, and very simple, you click on the accounts that you would like to remove, and on the bottom there's a little minus, you simply just click on there. Now I want to remove everything completely, so I select delete the home folder and then delete user, and the account is removed.